Chomi, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gillian with a G if you're new, and if you're returning, Dumelang Di Chomi. So today we are making a rice mask for my hair. Okay, I know a lot of you will be like, why are you making a rice mask? Firstly, my natural hair is not waist length yet, and I've been natural since 2017. We are in 2024 and nothing. And I also have leftover rice, and I'm not about to throw it away because in this house waste is not an option at this moment. So I'm about to utilize everything that I have to the best of my ability. So let's get started. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe if you do like my videos and you do like hearing my voice and you love what I'm doing. I usually just share content on Life with Gillian, which is beauty, lifestyle and skincare, because that is what Life with Gillian is, and I just get to be myself without any judgment. And this is also kind of like memories for me to look back at where I started. Yeah, it's a process, but don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell for the next video. Let's get started.
Lions and cobras don't stand a chance, so I know that I'm not alone. Nothing can stop your unchanging hand, so I know that I'm not alone. The angels, they lift me at your command, so my feet, they don't strike a stone. Under your wings I'll hide until the end of time, never alone. You hold my hand and it never ends. I know that where I am is not where I began. You know my heart and you think about me often. If I'm not enough, my God is. Amen. Lions and cobras don't stand a chance, so I know that I'm not alone. Nothing can stop your unchanging hand, so I know that I'm not alone. The angels, they lift me at your command, so my feet, they don't strike a stone. Under your wings I will hide until the end of time. Be strong and courageous, don't look at the people's faces. My God is good, He don't forsake us. I am living proof to say this. Be strong and courageous, don't look at the people's faces. My God is good, He won't forsake it. Lions and cobras don't stand a chance. Nothing can stop your unchanging hand. No worry, no stress, I know I'm blessed, 'cause God's got His hands on me. Can't get enough of you, yeah, I'm obsessed. Ain't seen, but I still believe. If the birds in the trees ain't gotta worry, neither do I. And why would I get in a hurry? Okay, why would I? How much more? Really care for me, care for me. How much more? Will He be there for me, there for me? How much more? Really care for me, care for me. what it seems. Gotta remember it's all in his hands, and only he can do it, no one can. Only trust in him and all of his friends. I let him take the lead, cause he knows I'm my needs. Hit the birds and the trees, ain't gotta worry then, neither do I. And why would I get it hurt? How much more? Really care for me, care for me. How much more? Will he be there for me, there for me? How much more? Really care for me, care for me. How much more? Will he be there for me, there for me, there for me? I know you care for me. I know you care for me. How can I draw closer to you? Be restored and renewed. Let me know what to do. Whatever you show me, I'll do it. Cause I had a chip on my shoulder till I waited on you. Then you took the weight off my shoulders. Lord, you did it, yeah, you did that. And you flipped it, put me on track. So I simply have to dedicate my life to your purpose.